For making eggless moist cake, here I am using milk maid. This is 400 grams and 50 grams of sugar I use. If you want to use, you can use complete 450 grams of milk maid, but here I have taken 400 grams of milk maid and 50 grams of powdered sugar. Mix it well. Add 100 grams of butter to it. Now this butter, milk maid and sugar, mix it till it forms a smooth paste. Once the butter softens, we mix it with a electric blender. Now we take 300 grams of raw oats flour. As we know that raw oats flour is good for health, contains 10% of fiber, gluten free and has low glycemic index. We add, this is cooking soda, 10 grams of cooking soda and 10 grams of baking soda. We mix it with the raw oats flour. We make fine paste of this butter, milk maid and sugar. Now the butter almost all softened. We make a fine paste of it. After a minute of blending, it has become very smooth paste. Now we add powder mix to it. Already we mixed baking soda and baking powder to raw oats flour. Now this powder mix we add slowly to the blend of butter, condensed milk, that is milk maid and sugar. Mix it with a spoon, otherwise it spills out if you use the electric blender now itself. Mix it completely slowly by adding powder mix to it. Now adjust the consistency with a cup of milk. See the consistency and add. You can add 1 to 2 cups of milk so that the consistency is going to be good to have a soft cake. To make it very smooth paste, we blend it with electric blender. Add any essence. Here I am using mixed fruit essence and blend it till it forms a smooth mix. After mixing for a minute, see the consistency and the texture. Now we make the mold ready and transfer this into the mold. Now grease the mold either with oil, butter or ghee. Completely walls and the bottom of the mold. And dust it with flour. Here I am using raw oats flour only. See, dust it evenly on the walls and the bottom of it. Now transfer this cake mix into the mold. Transfer completely. Now preheat the oven at 180 degrees centigrade for about 5 to 10 minutes. Make it even on the surface by using either the toothpick or the stick. Now the oven is ready. We are going to place the cake mold in the oven and bake it at 180 degrees centigrade for about 30 to 35 minutes. I have kept 35 minutes. Now we make the whipping cream. For making whipping cream, here I have taken Arima's whipping cream powder. Take ice pieces in a bigger bowl and keep a bowl in the ice pieces and take 100 ml of milk. As per the instructions, we have to take 100 ml of milk and add 50 grams of the powder. The whipping cream packet is 50 grams. So now I have taken chilled 100 ml of milk. Now add the complete 50 grams of whipping cream powder. Now mix it with the electric blender till you get peaks. Now the cake is ready. Check it with a stick. See, the stick is clear, completely baked. Now switch off the oven. Take out the cake and allow it to cool. Demold the cake. See. Now turn it upside down.
Wow.
See. Wow. Nicely. I got the
cake into layers.
Cake. Now
Using the thread.
make 3 layers of the cake by using thread. Now moist these layers with vanilla syrup. Take icing into the icing bag. After adding vanilla syrup, add cream on top of each layer. If you want, you can add more of it, but I am adding less quantity of cream. This is completely optional. Now keep another layer of it. Now add vanilla syrup. Vanilla syrup gives moistness as well as sweetness to the layers. After adding vanilla syrup, add or apply cream. Here I am adding only less quantity, a small quantity of cream. Now place another layer. Again add vanilla syrup on this layer also, and finally apply cream on it. Finally decorate the cake with choco chips. Healthy raw oats moist cake. Make healthy, eat healthy, and be healthy. Thank you.